Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp call ads using Meta Ads Manager, right? As you can see, I am into my Meta Ads Manager account and I am going to create a new campaign. So I am clicking on create button. Now here we need to select the objective, and as we are creating a call ad, WhatsApp call ad, right? So we will select the traffic as an objective and then click on continue. Here we are going to design the manual traffic campaign. Again continue. Here we can rename our campaign with any name, as this is just for our reference and will not be visible to the users, right? So I am renaming it according to myself. Okay, done. Scrolling down, as we are on the ad campaign level, right? So it is asking us whether you want to set budget at campaign level or ad set level. So we are going to set our ad budget at ad set level, not on the campaign level. If you are questioning why so, then kindly check our YouTube channel and check our Meta Ads playlist. We have created a detailed video on this, right? We will uncheck this, share some of your budget with other ad set. A/B testing will be turned off. Special ad category we are not going to select, as our ad doesn't belongs to special ad category. If your ad belongs to special ad category, then you can select the relevant ad category, else there is no need to select it. Now we will click on next. Okay, in the ad set name, again we can set this ad set name as per our reference. It's just for us, not for the users. So I have renamed it to something like this. Scrolling down, here is the conversion location. It is asking me where you want your users to land upon, right? I want all users who are interested to directly call me, so I have selected the calls. Scrolling down, here we can set the budget. I am setting my daily budget as $1000. I am interested to spend $1000 a day on my ad. Now coming to the schedule part, here we can set the start date and end date. So as I'm going to run my ad campaign for next 10 days, so I have selected the start date and end date as well. Scrolling down, in the audience control part, here we can select the location where we want to run our ad. So I am going to run my ad in the periphery of like my office. So I will simply search for the place name and will select this, set the radius. Okay, I'm going to run my ad in this area. Scrolling down, here in the show more option, we can select the minimum age criteria of people whom we want to show our ads. So I'm going to select the 23. Scrolling down, audience suggestion optional. Here we can suggest Meta the audience whom we want to show our ad, so that Meta shows our ad to the right audience. So I will set the age group to like this. Okay, and as I am going to show my ad to both genders, so I will not select any individual gender. Instead, I will select all. In the detail targeting, as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that there are 3 types of targeting. First one is interest based targeting, second one is behavior based targeting, and third one is demographic based targeting. You can use any targeting filters as per your business. So in this ad, I'm going to show my ad to people who are small business owners. So I have selected the small business owners as a behavior, right? Scrolling down, here in the placement section, I'm going to select manual placement. Scrolling down, now if I have a banner or ad creative or image ad or video ad, whatever, of 1:1 size, then I am going to run my ads in feeds. As in story and status and reels, it supports 9:16, so my ad would be placed improperly or is of inappropriate size. So I will uncheck the stories, status and reels. I am just going to run my ads in feed, right? I'm not going to run my ad in Instagram Explore home, because as you can see in preview, our ad is shown of very small size, and if there is any text content in the particular image or video, then it would not be visible to users, right? So I'm not going to run my ad here. I'm going to run my ad in the Facebook feed and the Instagram feed and Instagram Explore. And the other placements doesn't support call buttons, so they are not clickable. Scrolling down here, I'm not going to run my ads in in-stream ads for Reels because they do not deliver good results. I'm also not going to run my ad in search results to save my funds and not to waste them. Coming to the ad creative level, I will click on next. Here we need to turn off the partnership ad because I'm not running my ad in collaboration with any other brand. Facebook page is already selected, Instagram account is already selected. In ad setup level, if I am directly uploading my ad creative in ad campaign and running ad, then I am going to select the create ad. Else, if I have already posted on Instagram account or Facebook page, then I will select use existing post. So in this particular ad campaign, I am directly uploading my ad creative in the campaign and running ad, and I have not posted it on Facebook page or Instagram account before, so I am selecting create ad. In the creative source, I am manually uploading my ad creative format, the single image ad I am running right now. I am not running the carousel ad. Carousel ad is something you can say the slider ad, which we will learn later. In the multi advertiser ads, I am going to turn off. I don't want my ad to appear in between the other company's ad. Here in the destination, I want call on WhatsApp. Here we can simply connect our WhatsApp business account by clicking on this and selecting our country code and filling our phone number and verifying it with the OTP, right? Scrolling down in the ad creative part, setup creative, image ad. We can upload the image creative or video creative by clicking on this button and selecting it from the system as well. But as I have already uploaded, so I will simply select this ad creative and click on next and again on next. Here we can enter the primary text, the caption we can write manually, as well as we can use the AI for writing good caption for our ad creative. We can also mention our business address in it. In the headline, we can generate some good catchy attractive headlines as well. In the call description, we can write whom the people would be talking to if they call, and it is not mandatory, so I am not filling it, and I will click on next. And as you can see, I have created my ad, right? Okay, yeah, we were here. Now this is another campaign. As you can see, I have created my ad. Now if I click on publish, our campaign would get. But now I will tell you one more thing. So as you can see, I have created my ad, right? Whenever I will click on publish, my ad campaign would get published. But before that, I will tell you one more thing. If you have creative of 9:16, then you can like select the status, stories and reels in the placement at set level, and in the ad creative you can upload that 9:16 banner, right? But if you have both sides of ad creative and you want to run your ads in feeds and as well as in stories and reels, then you have two options for that. Like either you can create multiple ad sets, as I'm going to create. It is the simplest method, but there is a demerit of that will I will tell you later. Duplicating this original campaign. Okay, now I will rename this ad set as story reel, and all settings will remain same, but in here we will uncheck the feeds, as we are going to run our ad only in status, stories and reels, right? And in the ad creatives, in the ad creative of this ad set, we will change the banner. We will delete the old ad creative and we will upload the new ad creative of 9:16 banner. I have already uploaded, so I will simply select and click on next. Here we can again enter the caption and the good headline as well. Now I will click on next, and as you can see, our ad creative is looking good and of appropriate size. So this is how you can create two multiple ad sets for different placement. One would be like played on feeds and the another would be like displayed on stories and reels. But in this you need to set ad set budget twice, right? So like your more budget would be exhausted. So it was the simple method. Now I will tell you the another method of doing the same. So I am deleting this ad set, stories and reels. Okay, now we have left a single campaign with a single ad set and single ad creative. We can select both the placement in single ad set as well. So if you understand this method, then you can use this method also. I'm going to the ad set level. Here I am into the ad set level. Here we will select the story, status and reels as well as feeds both as a placement. And in the ad creative level, we are going to scroll down. Now here we can change the edit group. We can change the banner simply. We can select the portrait banner and click on save, and as you can see in the feeds, our square banner would be displayed, and in the stories and reels our portrait banner would be displayed. So in this manner, as you can see in the preview, it is the preview of feeds, so our square banner is getting displayed, whereas in stories and reels our portrait banner is getting displayed properly, right? As you can see over here also. So here we need not to set the ad set budget twice, and in the same budget our ad would get displayed in feeds as well as stories and reels. Now if you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website and explore our course, and you can directly purchase the course from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.